In industries where every second matters, real-time gas detection is becoming essential. That's driving strong growth in the wireless gas detection market as businesses adopt smarter, more flexible safety solutions. Unlike wired systems, wireless detectors offer faster deployment, wider coverage, and continuous monitoring while reducing installation costs. Honeywell leads with 11% of market share, followed by MSA Safety at 9% and Dragerwerk at 8%. But the market remains highly competitive, and companies combining accurate detection, seamless connectivity, and predictive intelligence are likely to shape its future. Markets move fast, your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.